Come test drive the 2010 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, heated seats, power passenger seat, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.